brothers whose parents have left them behind. Where did they leave them?
With the cat in the hat?
With the cat in the hat. Like where? Where? At like a park?
McDonald's. Who will?
McDonald's play place.
Okay, they left them with the cat in the hat in a McDonald's play place. How old are Andy and Chris?
33.
They're 40. Andy and Chris are 40 years old. They have been left by their parents at the McDonald's play place with the cat in the hat. Okay, I'm going to be calling out your awesome violence. They have to change it up. Let's see how these middle-aged losers do.
A needle?
Ugh.
Adam, get out of the playpen.
Steve.
Adam, get out of the playpen.
Damn it.
And where's that giant cat?
Irish!
I saw him here not a second ago.
I don't know where he went. He might as well go down the
Oh.
slides.
Oh. There's a tail.
Oh my.
He drowned in the balls.
Terrible way to
Yes,
go. What a
yes.
terrible way.
Well, it looks like another weekend of us disintegrating someone in Mum and Dad's bathtub.
Southern!
Yep, what we want to do here is yank him out of there. Well, his tail came off. Alright. Want me to climb in there and fish him out for you?
Yeah, you can climb
Alright,
out.
hold you in there. Yeah, we alright.
No falling
I want you to hold my cigarette.
I got him.
Jersey! Jersey!
Oh God! Oh!
Pull him out of there.
I don't want this cat everywhere.
Oh no.
Oh, this cat everywhere.
Just scoop it.
I want to scoop it. I don't want to scoop it. I'll scoop it, fine.
Dump it over here.
Oh, God.
Swedish! Swedish!
Well, now we've dumped his cat over there. That is very gross. I will not touch that.
Well, we are here now.
You have.
Yes.
Drunk! I'm gonna combine you drunk and lisping.
Listen. Listen. I think it'd be just great if Mom and Dad were to come back and pick us up. You just call them.
British snob!
I cannot go home.
Yeah, you left your telephone somewhere.
I didn't forget to charge it last night.
Well, that's quite all right. I shall dispatch one of these McDonald's serfs to do it.
Andy! Arnold Schwarzenegger! Chris! Yoda!
There's no one here. Who are we to send? Who are we to make him go?
We need a carrier pigeon we do here.
We need a chopper. We need a chopper. But there's not one here.
Andy! Chris! Tucker! Chris! Batman the Dark Knight!
It's carrier pigeon. Get it.
Dan, you do that all for the damn cat. Oh, shit. Listen, I want to stab something to you. If our parents never come back, then hey, you got this covered, brother. We got this. You can deal with this.
They're probably dead.
They're